My name is Michael. My experience in the food industry goes back to 1995. I'm the owner of Pandini's restaurant in Clondalkin, but was established in 2012. Pandini's is a modern Italian cuisine, loved by locals and a lot of customers around Dublin. Like many other businesses in Ireland, coronavirus had hit the industry very hard. I knew that the people will have to adapt to new realities. I know from keeping contacts with my members of staff, they found the jobs in different type of businesses. I knew they will not come back. I understood that this is going to be a massive problem. I started to look for solutions. That's how I came across Bella and Bellabot and Robotics.
Bellabot is a food delivery robot who can deliver food from the kitchen straight to the customers and allows front of house staff to deliver a better service and focus on customers. When the food is ready, a chef can place it in the right tray or multiple trays for the multiple tables. Once the food arrives to the customers, customer can pick up their own food or be served by the front house staff. Once the food are delivered, Bellabot returns to the kitchen and waiting for more orders.
Bella and Ola will give me peace of mind that I'm not longer have shortage in my staff. I know that I have them as a tools to create better service with less staff. Hopefully this will change, but for the time being we have to live with this reality.